What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Cool Product. Today, we are talking about the best wireless CarPlay adapter. If you were tired of plugging and unplugging your phone every time you get in the car, this little device could completely change your driving experience. It brings freedom, convenience, and smooth performance without messy cables. Let's see why this adapter is getting so much attention. Let's get started. The Yonton Wireless CarPlay adapter is designed to convert your wired Apple CarPlay into a fully wireless setup. Instead of connecting your phone with a cable each time, you simply plug the adapter into your car's USB port once. After that, it pairs with your phone using Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Once connected, it automatically links every time you start your car. This means no more dealing with tangled cords or forgetting to plug in your device. It saves time and helps you focus more on driving. One of the standout features of the Yonton Wireless CarPlay adapter is its ultra-low latency technology. It uses 5 GHz Wi-Fi along with Bluetooth dual-channel transmission to keep audio and video perfectly synchronized. Many wireless systems struggle with delayed music playback or slow navigation updates. This adapter is designed to reduce those problems. Song changes happen instantly, navigation directions update in real time, and everything feels smooth and responsive, even when driving at higher speeds. Stability is another major advantage. The Yonton Wireless CarPlay adapter maintains a strong and steady connection, even in extreme temperatures. Whether you are driving in hot summer weather or cold winter conditions, it continues to perform reliably. This ensures uninterrupted music, calls, and map guidance whenever you need it.
Compatibility is also impressive. The Yonton Wireless CarPlay adapter supports 99% of factory-installed wired CarPlay systems and works with most cell phones that support CarPlay. It also stays up to date through over-the-air firmware updates. These updates automatically adjust to the latest iOS changes, which helps keep the device future-ready without extra effort from you.
The design is compact and lightweight. Measuring just 1.18 by 0.6 by 0.39 inches and weighing only 0.4 ounces, it fits easily into tight spaces without blocking other controls in your car. It also comes with a Type-C adapter and a USB-A extension cable, giving you more flexibility depending on your car's setup. Another important feature is that it keeps full integration with your vehicle's original controls. All factory buttons, knobs, and microphone functions continue to work normally. You can adjust the volume, skip tracks, or activate voice commands with Siri or Google Assistant just like before. The audio remains clear and unaltered through your car's built-in speakers, so you do not lose any sound quality. Overall, the Yonton Wireless CarPlay adapter offers wireless conversion, ultra-low latency performance, stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection, wide compatibility, automatic updates, compact design, and full factory control integration. It is a simple upgrade that makes your daily drive more convenient and enjoyable. Ready to cut the cord and go wireless? Check the price link in the description to see the latest offer. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more smart car tech and gadgets. See you in the next video.